Hello, this is me again, Daniel, for the 7th and final video for February 2nd, 2023. Right now it's about 5 o'clock p.m. and it's still light. It might be getting darker like in 45 minutes or something. And this is an aftermath video. Aftermath means, like after they did, that means it's gone. Might be the same a little bit, but I want you to look at it. Yep. And here we go. We're going to enter to that thing. Don't get me killed here. And here's the aftermath of what they did. They put up the new cement. Yep. It's pretty hot, but they did it. Had the considerations. Yep. They just did this. Yep. I showed you earlier, like when they're in the garage. There's a shovel. I think they forgot to take it. I'll give you like a little tour around the back, because earlier in today's videos, we saw one of the small bulldozer was just going through. They put up some more things on there to keep out the dirt or something. They made this thing smoothly. Try to keep it safe. And here they are, and here it is. There's some more things they just did today. When I was there, like making a video, I saw bulldozers like going through this area too. Yep. So, I guess that wraps it up for this 7th and final video for February 2nd, 2023. And I hope you enjoyed watching these past construction videos I've been making these past 4 or 5 weeks already. So, till then, this is your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, saying thanks for being around, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And please try to comment, or subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous videos of the Laurel Boulevard construction site. Yep. You just take care of my YouTubers. Nice being together and working together in it. And you just enjoy these videos, and I'll see you next time for more updates around doing things in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Goodbye, folks, and good night, everybody. I'm shoving off.